Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 19th of January, Martin Luther King Day. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. The snow has all but ended. We'll have a few snow showers going through here up till about 10 o'clock at the latest. Then those clouds will give way to mostly sunny skies. Little batch of snow showers that could come through eastern Massachusetts may yield a quarter to half an inch of snowfall. So if you want to wait until that 9 or 10 o'clock hour, especially east of 128, do so. Otherwise, you might have to go out and just do a quick little light cleanup. Temperatures today in the 30s, and with the sun angle about 4 degrees higher than its lowest, and another 30 minutes of daylight in the afternoon and 3 minutes in the morning. We will be able to melt the snow off the asphalt if you can get it down mostly cleaned up with these temperatures in the 30s, and you'll want to do so because it is going to be colder. Winds increase this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy down to the teens. It feels in the single digits to near zero north and west of the city. On Tuesday, mostly sunny, mid-20s. Wednesday, mostly sunny, near 30, 31, 32. Then Thursday, we're up near 40 again. A little bit of melting going on. We're going to cool off here on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. By Sunday, temperatures could stay in the teens as a blast of Arctic air comes in here. We'll wait and see just how cold that is, but there's a chance we see some sub-zero weather here over, say, what's going to be at that point the last week of January. Have a great morning, everybody.